In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram keeps asking for a birthday. Recently, people have complaints that they keep getting this option on their Instagram account where Instagram asks you for your birthday. Now, this has been started by Instagram because in order to avoid children from using their applications. Instagram can only be used by people above 13 years of age, and if you have not added in your date of birth on Instagram, you can easily add it and fix this problem. So firstly, open up your Instagram and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, and then head over to the three lines on the top right and tap on settings. Now from the settings tab, you need to tap on your account option right here and then head over to personal information. Now in this section, it's going to show you your information such as email address, phone number, gender and date of birth. You can simply tap on the date of birth option and then add in your date of birth by scrolling through the numbers. You can add in the year, month and the day. After you do that, you can tap on the tick mark on the top right. Now you can tap on confirm and your date of birth will be added on your Instagram account. After you add in the date of birth, it should fix the problem and Instagram will no longer ask for your birthday. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.